guys, welcome back to another digital moment with Tarina. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to get your documents attested in your home country and also here in the UAE. So you have been sending out your CVs, you have been doing interviews, and guess what? You finally got a job. Now you need to attest those documents. Okay, but what is attestation? What does that term really mean? It's a big word, but guess what? It simply means that you are going to verify your documents and you're going to prove that they are authentic, they are real. The documents that you will need to attest are your educational documents such as your diploma. Oh my god, diploma. Okay, let's be serious. The documents that you will need to attest are all your educational documents such as your teaching diplomas, your bachelor's degree, your master's degree, your transcripts from all these institutions, along with letters of recommendation and letters of experience. Okay, so let's talk about these documents. So even though you may have a bachelor's degree, you also need to attest your diploma as well, okay? Because your years of experience teaching with your diploma counts here in the UAE as well, okay? So make sure you get all these documents attested. You have to get these documents attested at two places, especially in Jamaica. You have to first go to the Ministry of Education and get them to stamp and verify that this document is authentic, it is real, it is not no fake. You go to school, go learn for that, you work for it, okay? Then after you leave the Ministry of Education, you're going to take these documents to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, okay? So here at Foreign Affairs, you will get these documents attested, okay? This is where you get the documents attested. So they are going to simply verify the signature and the stamp that was placed on it at the Ministry of Education. So you can't go to Ministry of Foreign Affairs without going to the Ministry of Education first, okay? Remember to take your transcripts, your letters of recommendation and experience, diploma, degree, master's degree, anything that you deem valuable and will contribute and add value to your CV or your position as a teacher, take them with you and get them attested as well. You will also need to attest all your personal and legal documents such as your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, divorce certificate for yourself, your spouse, and your children if those apply to you, okay? You need to take all these documents to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to get them attested. Simple as that. So when you go to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, you can choose whether you want the express service or you want it to be done in a week or 3 days. It is up to you based on the deadline that you are working with. So you will also need to get your documents attested here in the UAE as well. So when you arrive into the country, you are going to take your documents to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs here in the UAE, whether it's in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, any of the Emirates that you go to, you will need to attest your documents, okay? But guess what? If you have a UAE embassy in your home country, you can get these documents attested there as well. So at the end of the attestation process, you will have 3 stamps on your document. One from Ministry of Foreign Affairs, one from Ministry of Education in your home country, and another stamp or a sticker here in the UAE. So 3 stamps to make your attestation process complete. And that is it, guys, with attestation of documents. Thank you for joining me in another digital moment with Tarina. Go ahead and leave a comment. Click that notification bell so you can get my other videos. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.